Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include iPod adapter, steering wheel controls, third row seating, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2011 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, exterior entry lights, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one cargo area light. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.